Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. School nurses among frontline workers, first responders receiving first COVID-19 vaccines. We're very excited that we are finally at the point where we can actively do something, where we can keep our schools open. This week, New Hampshire school nurses joined the list of frontline workers and first responders who have received their first COVID-19 vaccination in Phase 1A. State health officials reached out to New Hampshire School Nurse Association earlier last week, and they've been working together to notify 400 school nurses that they can now receive their first shots. The New Hampshire School Nurses Association said this process is going quite well. We're very excited that we are finally at the point where we can actively do something, where we can keep our schools open, said New Hampshire School Nurses Association President. Many of our schools have remained open, some have not, and some have gone into remote learning, but we understand it is very important for kids to do in-person schooling, and this is a step in the right direction in getting that to happen. Also, the New Hampshire School Nurses Association president added that school nurses began getting their first shots on Wednesday, and more are expected to start this coming week. School nurses who have not yet gotten their first shot will sign up for an appointment at one of the 13 state-managed vaccination sites. Those 13 sites are currently set up for frontline workers and first responders who are not associated with a hospital or long-term care facility. As for the current school year, the New Hampshire School Nursing Association president said there have not been as many outbreaks as expected. She credited this to school officials and students for following COVID-19 guidelines. According to the association, there is a shortage of school nurses in New Hampshire. If you are available to fill in as a substitute nurse, you are asked to contact your local school district. And that does it for this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this morning news report. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.